Hello, my name is Dee Silver, and today we're going to prepare a new brush for painting. If you've ever started to use a new brush and have had loose hair come out as you begin to paint, you know that can be very annoying and time-consuming. We're going to prepare a brush so shedding does not happen while you are painting. We have before us different silver mops, black and white goat hair, synthetic and camel's hair mops. We are also going to prepare blending brushes in the same manner. Each brush has three parts: the handle, ferrule, and head. Inside the ferrule, there are two epoxy barriers, one here at the top to hold the hair together and onto the ferrule. The second is to hold the head to the handle. Sometimes not all soft goat hair can be captured in the epoxy barrier in the ferrule. There might be some loose hair. Your brush is not necessarily defective, it just has some unattached hair floating around. Let's take them out before anyone goes to paint with them. I just have one tool, a plastic butter knife. Using the back of the knife, pull the hair gently towards you, going over the entire head of the brush. If you can do this several times, a normal brush might shed several hairs. If more come out or in clumps, it could mean your brush has missed the epoxy barrier at the top of the ferrule and could be defective. Remember to use the back of the plastic butter knife. The same technique will work on blending and varnishing brushes. Once this is accomplished, your brush is ready to use in color and medium. Knifing can be done on all brushes. Remember to do it gently but firmly. Brushes typically come with sizing in them. We use the sizing to prevent damage in shipping. It's completely water soluble, so rinse in water, gently work the brush back and forth with your fingers. Let the brush dry. Then repeat the process of removing loose hair as described.